Ito ang aming anniversary. Dito lang sa bahay, mas mura pa. Masarap pa. Sobra pa. Ayan, yan ang aming steak. Ito pala steak. Yan ang aming lobster. Siyempre, meron ding beans. Ito naman yung tahong, baked tahong. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang cake. Flowers. At siyempre, ang Filipino food. Filipino favorite, rice.
Picture tayong dalawa.
No, get off the phone.
Kara, enough na mo ta.
Kaya, sige.
Mamaya, sandali. Kaya kain na tayo. Tapos na.
Okay na. Picture mo na lang kami.
Ayan, tawag ito, tahong, ano ito? Baked tahong. Ayan. Ito ang handa namin ngayong anniversary namin. 45th anniversary. Tahong. Hindi, marami pa, hindi yan lang, isa pa lang yan. Okay. Yan pa, isa. What do you call this, ma'am?
Lobster.
Ito pala yung lobster. Di ko alam. Hindi, joke lang. Yan ang lobster, no? Sarap niyan. Lobster, binake lang siya. Ganyan.
Dance, Kyla! Dance, sige. Ano yan? Ay, naku, sisirain mo yan.
Give it to me.
Itabi mo nga yan.
I'm gonna hide it up from you. What do you mean? You're gonna break it.
Yan ang aming cake. May cake pa eh. May pa-cake pa eh. Ayan. Happy anniversary. Hindi pa bukas. May nabubuksan. Ganda ng bouquet. Oh. Happy anniversary! 40 feet!
Can I show you where I want my slice here, Father?
Wait, I want to get some strawberries.
Hold on. Let me show Dad where. Hey.
Para tayo kumain sa restaurant. Ang sarap ng cake.
Which one? Just point to
Can I
it.
have the thing, please?
Just point to it. Do not cut anymore on this side. No, wag ka na magkakat dito. Kasi nga
Hayaan
happy
mo na ikaw naman.
No, dito. See? This big one, no?
Hayaan mo na nga. Stephen naman. Ang sarap. The cake is good.
I shouldn't be complaining.
Yeah, it's the
A
same.
big chunk. Oh, no. See, your extra is already jumping out there.
You want more strawberries? Get one.
Strawberries. Yeah, I think you could tell that I fell asleep, Dad.
Yeah.
Can I have
I
some?
want more
Oh,
strawberries.
Sarap.
Me too.
Get the strawberries, Kylo. Ang sarap ng cake.
I'm getting the
Panalo.
strawberries.
Kasi siya ba?
There.
Birthday cake ko last year.
Try it! We try it! Try it!
Wala ka rin tinidor pa niya. Ay,
Mm.
nako. Hayaan mo siya. Nako. Sorry, sa kanila naman. Sarap.
It's heaven.
Yeah, it's good, no? It's not that sweet.
This is kind of school is like
Yeah, ang sarap. Ang sarap ng cake.
a maybe.
It's a short cake. Mm.
Yan. Yan. Symbols of true love. For my one and only. Happy 45th anniversary. my super woman of our life. Thank you for being good and nice and loving to me. I love you very, 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 very much. You're one in a million.
Dr. Pepper.
I know, I'm so excited. That girl don't sleep. I ain't going there again. Oh yeah, she'll sleep.
Thank you.
Sorry, I didn't
That's okay. I'm eating for two, by the way.
It's okay. Oh yeah.
You all set?
Oh, the birthday celebration is big.
Close it. All right.
Boy! 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 Are you alright?
We move together.
Where are we going?
Okay, everyone, we're gonna start our first game. Are you guys excited? Hype girls pa kayo, di pa kayo? No, you guys are gonna be behind me. Alright, so our first game would be Bring Me. So I'm gonna mention an item and whoever gives it to me, the first one whoever gives it to me will win a prize. No, this is for kids. For kids first, okay? I said you guys are my hype girls, not my complainers. Okay, behind me. Alright, first one. You guys excited? So the parents can help, but they cannot be the one to come and give me the item, okay? Alright. Ready? Kylo, come over here.
Keep your shirt on. Yeah, keep that shirt on.
No, he's not included. He's gonna be the one giving prizes. Alright. Bring me the longest belt. Any belt, but we're gonna have to measure it. Belt. Any belt. You guys can get it from anybody who has it. Come on.
Just find a very large person. They probably have
Belt. Just one? That's it? Any more? Belt.
That's a long belt.
fold it. Any more belt? Okay.
I think they're so busy eating. That's the thing.
It's okay. They can take off their belt. All right. What's your name?
Landon.
Landon. All right. Landon won. Give her a round of applause. Okay, guys. You have to be fast. Okay, the kids back there. You guys have to join. You guys are gonna win. Okay, Kylo, where's your prize?
Wait, hold on.
Give them your prize.
Maybe that'll influence.
They can select the prize then.
There's prizes over there. Guys, we're gonna play. You guys have free prizes to win. Free prizes are bubbles and stickers.
Batong belt mo ha.
What belt is this?
Look at all this. It looks so fun, right?
Okay, Jason, thank you.
Not you. You have to win first. I won.
Okay. Alright. Okay, are you guys ready? The second item, listen up. Okay, second item. A work ID. Either from your parents, from your aunt, any work ID. Not a license, a work ID. From a hospital, from anywhere you guys working. Work ID. And then we'll give 20% healthcare. No, just kidding. Healthcare discount. No, just kidding. Work ID. Go ask them if they have work ID. Oh my gosh. They don't want to work extra after work, right? No work ID? Okay, you guys can do it. Yes, go ahead.
Karki.
No work ID? Not in your cars? Okay, the first one who can give me a license.